In Google Drawings, you can easily work around with lines. And to work around with lines, on the top over here, you can see line is an option. So if you were to click on this, then what happens is that the line is selected and you can click and drag over here on the canvas area to draw out a line. You can click and drag this and you can see that this is a line right here. So once you draw out a line, you have various options for the line over here as well. But over here, if you were to click on the small triangular icon right here, here you can see that there are multiple types of line. Let's say, for example, there's arrow right here. There's another elbow connector, as you can see right here with the connection. There's a curve, as you can see right here, which you can click, and you can create out a curve over here as well. Similarly, there are different things like polyline, which allows you to click and create straight lines right here. And there's another option right here like scribble, which allows you to click and drag and draw out the line of your choice. So if you were to go around over here onto the line option, this is what you can do. And in order to change the formatting of the line when a line is selected. So to select out a line, I'm going to go to the select tool right here and click on a line of my choice. You can go around and choose the color of the line right here, as you can see. So you can go around, choose blue or something right here, or you can click on the plus button and choose a custom color according to what you like as well. Over here, you can go to line weight and increase and decrease out the weight, as you can see. Another thing that you can do with line is you can click and drag out the points right here, and that is how you can modify out the line as well. So over here, you can see that there's the arrow right here, just like this. So you can click and drag it out to change the direction over here as well. So once you go around into line, you can select different formats, as you can see right here. You can go around and select out different starting points and ending points right here. Again, turn it into an arrow and so forth, as you can see. You can also go around into formatting options and access out more options on the right to change out the look of the line as well. And that is how you can work around with lines inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.